Alright, so over here we have all the Cherry MX Silent Reds that I ripped out of my keyboard. Over here, these are lubricated gateron clears, and these are the few unlubricated gateron clears that I'm about to finish off. I went ahead and put a keycap on a Silent Red, keycap on gateron clears that are lubricated, and a keycap on gateron clears that are unlubricated, just to show what the sound is like. So here's the sound of like a Silent Red, Cherry MX Silent Red. Fucking terrible. It's like feels mushy and it's all scratchy and it doesn't sound good. This is a gateron clear, unlubricated. Fuck. It's kind of hard doing this with one hand. It already sounds better and it feels better too. And then gateron clear, lubricated. I think this both sounds the best and certainly feels the best, without a doubt. Cannot wait to resolder all these guys back onto this board.